हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सनत इजी माइंड ट्यूटोरियल्स। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट ICMR असिस्टेंट रिक्रूटमेंट एग्जामिनेशन फॉर ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स who have been shortlisted for ICMR assistant examination. For them it's a good news. This is the official website of PIMER Chandigarh. So we are here for a new notice regarding the ICMR assistant examination. So let's see what is the notice saying about in this video. Let's start the video. So when you come into this website, this is the notice for skill test for the post of assistant. If you click here view all, then you can see in the top it is written 25th of June 2021 notice for skill test for the posts of assistant ICMR exam held on 3rd of Jan 2021. So when you click on this, it will open, and here click for notice. It is showing you have to click here, then a new page will open like this. This is the new notice which have been published by ICCR 25th of June. So we'll discuss this notice in detail. Skill test for the post of assistant ICMR. Reference computer based test held on 3rd of Jan for the posts of assistant for ICMR headquarters and regional institutes. It is to inform all the shortlist candidates on the basis of computer based test that the computer based skill test for the said post is likely to be scheduled in the month of August 2021 at New Delhi. The tentative scheme of examination skill test is given below. So in this video, I will be talking about the strategy for all the candidates who are going to appear for the computer based skill test for ICMR assistant. Stay tuned in the video and watch the video completely till end for getting the best possible strategy in order to crack the examination. So here you can see the tentative scheme of examination skill test for the post of assistant. First you can see computer based skill test examination will consist of two parts. Multiple choice questions MCQs will be asked, that is related to MS, Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So this is a basic fundamental MCQ questions they will be asking. You will be provided 20 minutes to appear for this part and 6 marks will be awarded for this. For this part, already video is available. I think 8 videos have been uploaded long back regarding the computer based fundamental questions for all exams. So there you can get all these questions. Okay, so do kindly check the I button to watch the complete playlist regarding the questions of MS Office. Okay, separate playlists and separate classes will also be provided regarding these MCQ questions. Okay, where we will discuss all the relevant questions which basically comes in these type of tests. Okay, also I will try to cover the previous year MCQ questions. Based upon your feedback and upon your response on the videos, I will provide the videos one by one. आशा कर रहा हूँ जो लोग भी हिंदी में सुन रहे होंगे वो समझ पा रहे होंगे, क्योंकि मैंने एक पोल आपको दिया था जिसमें कि मेरे को बहुत सारे लोगों ने इंग्लिश में ये वीडियो देने के लिए बोला, तो इसीलिए मैं इंग्लिश में बोल रहा हूँ। दोस्तों आप हिंदी में अगर हो तो बेसिक इंग्लिश तो आपको पता ही होगा। आशा करता हूँ सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा। अगर आपको कोई भी दिक्कत हो रहा है तो आप वीडियो खत्म होने के बाद कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट्स करके पूछ सकते हैं अगर आपको कोई डाउट है। द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज कंपोजिंग पैराग्राफ एडिटिंग इन MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So this part basically you can do if you have purchased the CPT fundamental course only for ₹49. Now also you have time if you want from the fundamental to learn about MS Office and how the type of questions are being asked, then you can purchase that. You can contact in the mail ID given in the description box. Do check the videos in the I button regarding the computer proficiency playlist. Okay, here you will be provided 70 minutes and 14 marks will be awarded. So total duration of the exam will be 90 minutes, means 1.5 hours, and 20 marks विल बी अवॉर्डेड। सो हिंदी में मैं आपको बता देता हूँ थोड़ा विस्तार से। देखिए आपका सीबीटी का एग्जाम जो होगा उसमें एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन पहले पूछे जाएंगे, जिसमें कि एमएस वर्ड, एक्सेल और पावर पॉइंट से रिलेटेड जो भी आपका एमसीक्यू बन सकता है ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप, वो आपको पूछा जाएगा, जिसमें आपको 20 मिनट दिया जाएगा और 6 मार्क ये टोटल एग्जाम होगा। नेक्स्ट आपका 14 मार्क का 70 मिनट दिया जाएगा, जिसमें कंपोजिंग, पैराग्राफ, एडिटिंग इन एमएस वर्ड, एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट मिलेगा। इन दोनों से रिलेटेड वीडियोस ऑलरेडी प्लेलिस्ट अवेलेबल है। सेकंड पार्ट के लिए आप कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट का प्लेलिस्ट देख सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, आई बटन में भी प्रेस करके देख सकते हैं। और फर्स्ट पार्ट के लिए भी आपको वीडियोस मिल जाएगा कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल जीके के ऊपर। ओके, इसका सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट और सेपरेट अलग से क्लासेस भी इसके ऊपर लिया जाएगा, जिसमें आपको थोड़ा बेनिफिट होगा। दोस्तों हमारे तरफ से जितना कोशिश होगा हम करेंगे, आप पूरा एफर्ट्स देंगे, आपका ये एग्जाम जैसे निकल जाए। देयर विल बी नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग। ओके, नेगेटिव मार्किंग यहाँ पे नहीं रहेगा। क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स एज मेंशन्ड इन द एडवर्टाइजमेंट यू कैन सी 50% फॉर अनरिजर्व्ड ओबीसी, ईडब्ल्यूएस एंड 40% फॉर एससी, एसटी एंड पीडब्ल्यूबीडी। So this is a common question for every candidate that whether it is qualifying in nature or the marks will be evaluated for the final selection. So friends, it is qualifying in nature. 50% marks you need to gain. मतलब आपको यहाँ पे 50% marks, इसका मतलब 20 में से आपको 10 marks लाना पड़ेगा। यहाँ से 3 मार्क और यहाँ से 7 मार्क, 7 marks from this section, 3 marks from this section, I think 10 marks totally they will evaluate like this 50%. Next is 40%. Okay, so like this is the minimum qualifying marks you need to score. Then this is the detailed distributions of marking scheme as follows. So this is a very good step taken by ICMR. This should be there because it shows a clear syllabus, clear distribution, and it gives us a better strategy to prepare. ये हमको एक अच्छा strategy देता है, इसलिए ये दिया है उन्होंने, बहुत ही अच्छा किया है। First, MS Word. In MS Word 10 questions will be asked. Okay, 0.2 marks each. Okay, only 0.2 marks, and there will be no negative marking. यहाँ पे कोई भी negative marking नहीं है, so try to attempt all the questions. Okay, then 2 questions will be asked, that is para and editing here. Okay, MCQ 10 questions, and related to MS Word you will get 2 questions, 5 marks total, 2.5 marks each. So here in MS Word, basically what type of questions you will get? You will get the questions like write a paragraph and do certain formatting. Also you may have to prepare some table or some database they might give you. Okay, all the questions related to MS Word are already being covered in computer proficiency test playlist. You can visit that playlist and completely watch that playlist if you have not watched till now. Okay, आपका पूरा यहाँ से कवर हो जाएगा। ऑलरेडी इसके जो भी क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं वो करवाया गया है। सीपीटी के फंडामेंटल कोर्स में भी आपको पता चल जाएगा किस तरीके का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। Here the questions will be basic fundamental questions related to all the functions. यहाँ पे आपको शॉर्टकट कीज, ये सब फंक्शंस के बारे में पूछा जाएगा। जो भी फंक्शन आपके होते हैं ना, होम टैब, ये सब में क्या क्या यूज होता है वही पूछा जाएगा। So if you are purchasing the CPT fundamental course, then all the tabs have been discussed in detail. Okay, so if somebody has not purchased it, it's my kind request, do purchase that, very minimal price. You will get to know everything related to this. Okay, next is MS Excel. 10 questions, MCQ will be asked, 0.2 marks each. Okay, so here 0.2 marks will be there. Then 2 questions, 5 marks, again 2.5 marks each. Here you know MS Excel many type of questions are available. Already I have discussed everything. सभी आपका डिस्कस किया गया है। Like conditional formatting is a latest pattern which every CPT skill test are asking. Okay, this type of questions. Next one type of question is a table would be given to you and certain functions like sum, average, percentage increased, absolute percentage increase, percentage decrease, like these questions you might be asked. Then basic questions, all the functions which you are carrying out in MS Excel, keyboard related functions, mouse related functions, and everything related to MS Excel will be asked in the format of MCQ. Similarly for MS PowerPoint, 10 questions, 0.2 marks each, and 2 questions, 4 marks, 2 marks each. Okay, here 2 presentations will be given, generating slides, 2-3 स्लाइड आपको दिया जाएगा, आपको बनाना पड़ेगा। So total 30 MCQ, 6 marks, and here composing you will get 14 marks. So total 20 marks will be there, and out of 80 marks already your marks has been secured in CBT. Next 20 marks will be evaluated here. So here you can see shortlisted candidates are advised to keep visiting ICMR and PGI MER websites for updates. Skill test will be held at New Delhi only. So you have to travel to New Delhi headquarter, and examination will be held in the month of August. tentatively in the month of August. So it is not the exact date because everything depends upon the situation of COVID-19. Okay, depending on that, the examination will be conducted. This is our official YouTube channel, friends, Sanath Easy Mind Tutorials. Here we provide employment notice, GK, GS and computer proficiency related authentic information. So if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the all notification icon so that you will never miss any important update. So in the home section, you will find the videos, and here in the playlist, if you click here, then you can see here computer GK for all exams. So here you can see the full playlist, computer fundamentals, total 8 videos are there. So first you cover all these 8 videos. Okay, पहले ही आप 8 videos जाके complete कर लीजिए, and do share and like the video as much as possible. It's a target to at least 500 plus likes in these videos so that I can get a motivation from your side and try to prepare more for you. So आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा like कीजिए और share कीजिए और आपका feedback दीजिए response में comment section में कि आप किस टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो चाहते हैं, उसी हिसाब से आपको वीडियो दिए जाएंगे. एंड दिस इज द सेकंड प्लेलिस्ट व्हिच यू नीड टू वॉच. व्यू फुल प्लेलिस्ट कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट. You can see here everything, latest pattern, all things are covered. ICMR assistant skill test, roadmap to get call for document verification. See here, this also has been covered previously. Okay, so everything related, the latest pattern is covered in this playlist. So you complete these 2 playlists, you will get the complete knowledge about the skill test. So friends, everything depends upon your feedback and comments. As you wish, you comment in the comment section. If you want more videos regarding the ICMR skill test and the fundamental MCQ, then do comment in the comment section and like as much as possible. So we will meet in the next video. Till that time, best wishes. God bless you all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.